I love this stream because the stream makes gains in front of you. I can't wait to start the show and get on with the altcoins, baby. Let's go. There's so much to show you. And again, if Doge can stay inside of this pattern, it's good to go. It will likely continue to pump. It's got tight moving averages. It's got a beautiful measured move. This would be great for Doge. However, there's no guarantees that is going to happen. If we lose this key level, we're going to drop right down to 16. We lose 16, we're going to drop down to 14.5 or 14.8, right? And then you're also looking at this key level here at about 31 cents. And I'm heavy in this coin. I'll tell you right now, I have a big position in it. I'm up over $25,000 on it already, still holding gains. Like, this thing never even slumped on us. We traded that night. We got the slip up, the buy back in, and this thing is hot. So this tells me the bull market's not over. If the bull market was over, every coin would dump. This coin is not dumping. This coin has 1, 2, 3, 4. This coin is starting its massive parabola to the upside. Like, I see this thing headed to $16, $18, $20 a coin. So a lot of people really are coming here for the education that they deserve. I love this. This tells me there's so many people here ready to jump into the trading group. So many people ready here. Shout out to all who here is new on the channel. Looks like we have a lot of new people here. This symmetrical triangle broke to the downside. I wouldn't be surprised if it did hit the target at 67,460. So I had to make any call. Like, I remain a little more bearish than bullish. Look, there was a gap of the VRVP. Once you lost that high volume node, you came right to the next one. Look at that gap. That's how these gaps work. The VRVP is an amazing, amazing tool. And again, once you lose the 200 SMA and you close one candle below it, open up a short or get out of your long. If you're only a long trader, get out of the long at least. But look, that tells you to short the market. The 1 minute lost to 200 SMA. That told you to short the market. We go over this all the time. We're continue to pump to the upside. We told you this thing is moating. We gave you the live trade here on a Saturday morning. We don't take days off because I know I can provide you the knowledge that's going to help you make gains. I know I can help people make a bunch of money today with my sauce because it works. Look at it working. But there you go, baby. You knew it was dropping. I mean, I've taught you this I've taught all of you this. The discipline to not trade when you know what's going to happen is the next set of discipline. Look, that's a Sammy Cup and Handy to the upside. That is ripping. That is the money printer. Master friend, money printer. Look at it. The 786. Bang! Right now, the weekly is set to close a candle below 65.5. That's a bearish close for me. That's losing the key support or resistance level here that mattered. And that tells me that we likely could have more downside for Bitcoin. I also talk about the 21-day moving average over and over again. I teach you when you get away from the weekly here, you had to come back. When you got away from the weekly here, you came back. Whenever I see this start to happen, it tells me that, even if we get a break up or down here, so we would get a dead cat bounce. Everyone would say, oh, that's the rally. And then boom, right? And then we'd kiss the 21. We'd lose this. We'd likely bounce off the 50. If the 50 doesn't save us, we're going to some bearish times. However, look, we have a low. We have a high. We have a higher low. We have a higher high. We have a higher low. We have a higher high. Bitcoin would have to break this low for me to create then a lower high and dump to the downside. That would be your exit point somewhere at about 51,000, 52K.